Hi, welcome to Job Search. Now I am going to explain about Cognizant hiring. It's a good role for freshers from BSC, BCA, BA, BCom, BMS, and etc. And also the role is for analyst training. Uh, it's a 3 years completed graduation, and also Cognizant hiring for freshers. The guys who are watching new for this channel, do subscribe. I will update any new jobs and everything. And also those who want to enter into Amazon, I will give reference. Please do comment like reference. I will share everything. And coming to this job, Cognizant is hiring for new freshers 2024 and 2025 batches, and also academic certificates and resume with recent photograph. Also it's a Gen Z generation Cognizant entry level. Clear. Next, click here apply. You have to register with Superset registration. Without Superset, we can't apply for this Cognizant role. And click here apply. And I will apply. I will update everything to you and go with the mail and password. Those who have old accounts, it will be easy to apply and apply. And the hiring process and everything I will update to you. Okay. Next, login with Google. If you have login with already with Google, guys with login with Google. Just now I applied and I will show how to apply and everything, what the qualifications required and everything. Already I applied in back 1 hour back, and also the category is one. Job function is customer technical support and information technology. It's an IT, complete IT. The job is only opening as not CTC defined by the hiring company. Other information is the salary is detailed, advancing the hiring process. While you are going to HR, they will discuss about salary and everything to you. And next, job description. Please note, like there is some note. Role will be aligned with the multi-cloud or digital workplace service or integrated smart operation or IT practice based on the candidate credentials and performance by hiring process. While you are performing good in hiring, they will select by the roles. Like if you are average performance in hiring process, they will select you like a smart operation or something. If you are good in interview, they will select like IT performance, IT practice and everything. Here job description, smart operation, like here job description, like responsible for performing database requires crowd operations and writing slotted producers like IT service management, data analyst and everything. Describe the relationship between tables and write queries and retrieve data from database. These are the job description. And required skills for this Cognizant is good time management skills. Good time management skills is more important, and good written and verbal communication skills, and teamwork and collaboration, problem solving skills, strong analytical skills, critical skills. These are more important. And the eligibility criteria is the candidate from 2024 and 2025 or 2025 batch. Graduations for 3 years. Undergraduate degree BCA, BSc, Computer Science, Information Technologies, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Statistics, and Electronics. Minimum 60%. Without 60%, if you got 59%, they will check background verification. If you got 59%, they will reject you conformly. And rounding of 59.9% is not allowed. Yeah, even 59.9% is also not allowed. Okay. The candidate should process consistent academic record within with minimum 60% in 10th, 12th diploma and graduation. Minimum 60%. If you got 59.9% also, they will not hire you. And also candidate at the time of joining, all recruiter needs to minimum 60% agree within with 3 years undergraduate graduate, approximate CGPA to be considered university norms. And also job description for analytic training allied to multi-cloud. Job will maintain and administrate computer environment, and key responsibilities are either to customer security and and communication activities, ensure stated productivity requirements for the engagement, contribute to continuous service improvement plans, and also act as a buddy for a new heights. And role expectations. These are the role expectations. Associates should be willing to work 24 by 7 environment and open be relocate to any part of India based on project description, and also support available. Cognizant, like night shift allowance will be paid by the project. If you are allowed for the night shift, they will allow some paid for your project, and cabs will be provided by the pickup and drop, ensuring safety transport. They will provide cabs based on your project. If you are in night shift, they will provide cabs. Timely rewards also recognized by the performance top performers. Eligibility criteria is again 2024 or 2025. Batch of any 3 years under graduation, BCA, BSC, BBA, BA, BCom, BWOC, BMS, etc. with minimum 50% aggregate, and candidates with standing area arrears is not eligible. If you have any arrear, they will not hire you. And also flexibility to work any cognizant office location in the given shifting time, and any technology. If they give night shift, should be accept. If they give afternoon shift, you should be accept. Open to Indian nationals, OCIs, who are currently rising the India. Like job descriptions on everything is same. Everything is same. Like here for this role, 50% is enough. Based on the role they are hiring here, eligibility criteria is 50% for this role. Like job description for analyst trainee allied to multi-cloud. Okay, here 50% is enough for this role. And job description for analyst trainee workplace, it is also 50% is enough for this role. And mandatory documents of onboarding. While you are going to onboarding, the final cognizant onboarding would be subject to satisfactory background verification. Like PAN card is more important, or voter ID or passport, any one will be mandatory to verify the citizenship. Next, please note, if you will get any communication from other registration email ID in the superset, it must be your personal email ID. It shall be considered as a primary email ID. And also, if selected, you will join in the fresher, as no prior work experience will be considered. Candidate who have attended assessment interview in last 6 months kindly do not apply. Like the guys who are recently applied for this job before 6 months can apply. Recently apply will not be acceptable. These are the discriminant required skills are ticketing, communicate effective, quality delivery, continuous. These skills are more important. And also, who are applying for this role, is so easy to crack the interviews and the exams and everything. Hiring flow. The hiring flow is first application. You should give the application and screening. They will screen our resume and everything. And communication assessment. First round is communication, and second round is aptitude to be announced, and the same interview and offer. These are so simple. And eligibility criteria is so, actually I explained everything, no backlogs. Here see everything is allowed for my resume, my eligibility. If you have any queries, please do comment, I will explain. If additional questions, do you have a PAN card? Yes. Father name, everything here. Extra questions. Okay, next question here. If you have any queries, please do comment, I will explain each and every point. And also, if you have want any reference and something in Amazon, I have reference. And but first you do comment, I will share everything to you in the mail. If you want, do comment like reference. Thank you.